Hello, my lovely students. You're welcome to a new lesson. Today, I shall be teaching you mensuration of plane shapes. What is mensuration? Mensuration is the process of measuring or calculating the length, area, and volumes of geometric shapes. What are plane shapes? Plane shapes are two-dimensional shapes in nature with a considerable length and width or breadth. We have several plane shapes. Some examples of plane shapes include rectangle, square, parallelogram, triangle, trapezium, rhombus, kite, and circle. Next, let us see the formulas for the perimeter and area of a rectangle. The perimeter of a rectangle is 2 of the length plus 2 of the width, which is 2 into the length plus width or breadth. The area of a rectangle is the length times the width or length times breadth. Let's see our first example. A rectangular carpet 12 meters long has the same area as a square carpet that has a perimeter of 36 meters. How wide is the rectangular carpet? From the solution, since the square has 4 equal sides, the perimeter of a square is 4 times the length. That means that 36 meters is equal to 4L. This means the length of the square is 36 divided by 4, which is equal to 9 meters. Also, the area of a square is length times length, which is length squared. That makes the area of the square to be 9 squared, which is equal to 81 meters squared. But the area of the square is equal to the area of the rectangle. The area of the rectangle is length times width. That means 81 meters squared is equal to 12 meters times the width of the rectangle. From division, the width of the rectangle is 6.75 meters. Next, let's see the formulas for the area and perimeter of a parallelogram. The area of a parallelogram is the base times the perpendicular height, while the perimeter of a parallelogram is 2 multiplying the slant side plus the base. Next, let's see our second example. Find the perimeter and the area of the parallelogram below. The perimeter of a parallelogram is 2 multiplying the slant side plus the base. That gives 2 multiplying 10 meters plus 13 meters, which is 2 multiplying 23 meters. The perimeter of the parallelogram is 46 meters. The area of a parallelogram is base times height. That gives 13 meters times 7 meters. The area is 91 meters squared. Next, let's find the area of the parallelogram below. Here, the slant side is 10, the base is 16, while the included angle is 60 degrees. In this case, the formula for the area of the parallelogram is AB sine theta. Multiplying 10 times 16 times sine 60 degrees The area is 138.56. Next, let's learn about the perimeter and area of triangles. Let's find the perimeter of a triangle with sides 40 meters, 90 meters, and 70 meters. The perimeter of a triangle is the addition of the three sides of the triangle, which is 40 meters plus 90 meters plus 70 meters. The perimeter of the triangle is 200 meters. The formula for the area of a triangle is half times the base times the perpendicular height. Let's see our next example. Find the area of the triangle shown below. The area of the triangle is half times the base, which is 15 meters, times the height, which is 6 meters. From calculation, the area of the triangle is 45 square meters. Next, let's see the formula for the area of a triangle with two sides and the included angle given. In this case, the area of the triangle is half AB sine C, where C is the included angle between the two given sides. In our next example, let's find the area of the triangle shown below. The formula for the area of the triangle is half AB sine C. This gives half times 10 times 7 times sine 25 degrees. The area of the triangle is 14.79. Next, let's learn about the hero's formula, which is used to find the area of a triangle with three sides given. From the hero's formula, the area of a triangle is the square root of s into s minus a times s minus b times s minus c, where a, b, and c are the three sides of the triangle, and s is the sum of the three sides a plus b plus c divided by 2. Next, let's use the hero's formula to find the area of a triangle having the sides 3 cm, 4 cm, and 5 cm. From the solution, s is equal to 3 cm plus 4 cm plus 5 cm divided by 2, which is equal to 6 cm. When you substitute the values of s, a, b, and c into the hero's formula and you calculate, the area of the triangle is 6 centimeters squared. I hope this solution is clear to you. Next, let's see the formula for the area of a trapezium. The area of a trapezium is half times the sum of the parallel sides a plus b times the perpendicular height. Next, let's find the area of the trapezium shown below with parallel sides 6 cm and 10 cm and a perpendicular height of 4 cm. Using the formula for the area of a trapezium, which is half times the sum of parallel sides times the perpendicular height, the area of the trapezium is half times 6 cm plus 10 cm times 4. From calculation, the area of the trapezium is 32 centimeters squared. Next, can you find the perimeter of the trapezium shown below? Let's see if you are right. The perimeter of the trapezium is the addition of all the sides, which gives 22 centimeters. I hope you got that right. Next, let's see the formula for the area of a rhombus. The area of a rhombus is the product of the diagonals d1 times d2 divided by 2. A diagonal is the length between two opposite corners of a plane shape. Let's see our final example. Find the area of the rhombus shown above having diagonals 4 cm and 12 cm. From the solution, the area of a rhombus is the product of the diagonals d1 times d2 divided by 2. That gives 4 cm times 12 cm divided by 2. The area of the rhombus is 24 cm squared. I hope all these solutions are clear to you. Thank you very much for going through the lesson today. I want to advise that for you to get more information about the topic, mensuration of plane shapes, please continue to read your textbook. Don't forget to attempt your quiz and your assignment. I hope to see you again in our next class. Until then, it is goodbye for now. Thank you very much.